If you want to search for something by using image as a reference on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then you can, for example, use circle to search. So if you have some sort of an image that you may have found on the internet, or maybe you have a picture in the gallery or something, if you want to use that as a reference and search for similar things, or if you want to find out what that is, and then of course you can activate circle to search. There we go, and then we can select the reference area. And we should be able to get Google search result with some answers, maybe articles or a description of this subject. Once you get the search results, you should also be able to search for exact matches, visual matches, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. Of course, we don't have to use it only on the internet. As I mentioned, we can also use our photos as a reference as well. So if we have something in the gallery, we should be able to open it, and then you can quickly activate circle to search again, and then you can select the area and that is going to be used as a reference, and there we go, we have the description. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.